How to enable End Task from the taskbar. This tutorial shows you how to quickly close a frozen or unresponsive app right from the taskbar. First, click on the Start menu and click on Settings. After that, click on System from the left side menu. Let me show you. From there, click on Advanced from the list of options. At this point, scroll down to the taskbar section. In the next step, turn on the toggle next to End Task. Following this, close Settings once the toggle is turned on. Once done, right-click on any app icon in the taskbar to test the new option. From here, click on End Task from the menu that appears to force close that app immediately. Keep in mind, End Task closes the app without saving, so any unsaved work in that app will be lost. Finally, come back to this same menu anytime you want to turn the End Task option off. And that's it. If this guide helped you enable End Task from the taskbar, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you next one.